Hi everyone, my name is Jacob with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll be replacing the trunk bumpers on the W124. There's one on top and one on the bottom here. I noticed this one was cracked, as you can see, and we've got the genuine Mercedes pieces here on our website. So the top one is just held in with a size 4 hex screw, and then the bottom one, it's back behind that it's secured in. Over here there are two 10mm bolts that you could remove. So I just removed this piece. You can see it kind of leaves behind some rubber. You'll just want to clean that off. And then on the new piece here, there are two positioning pieces here. That's what you'll use to align it up onto the vehicle there. This is one of the pieces that I removed. It's all cracked and falling apart. Pretty much fell apart as soon as that hex screw was removed, but I've got the new one on here now and it looks much better. So now for the bottom piece. So just right behind here you will find two 10mm bolts. That's what you'll want to remove in order to take that piece off. Once you've got those two bolts behind here removed, you'll kind of just want to wiggle this out because this entire plastic trim piece is removed now. So just kind of wiggle it out from there and you could put the new one on. I'm just going to tighten the bolts up back there and it'll be all set. You can buy the set of these parts on our website at classictrimparts.com if you're interested, as well as find many more W124 parts there as well.